A very wet February 2020 has reactivated a couple of old chalk springs around Carshalton. The grotto is the early 20th century remnant of a much grander structure which had black and white marble flooring and walls studded with shells, glass and flintwork. It was fed by a spring that entered a chamber underneath. The grotto and ornamental canal were built by politician Thomas Scarwen in the 1720s for a mansion that was intended to occupy the park just south of Carshalton High Street. Neither the mansion nor much of the park apart from the grotto and canal were built before the Scarwen family fortune was lost towards the end of the 18th century. So now the canal water, when it appears every 10 years or so, drains down into a culvert and reappears as a stream through Grove Park. Joining the mighty Wandle as it sweeps majestically past Mill Lane. Next door to the grotto, the Hogsmill Pond is refilled, originally a reservoir, then a quarry, now mostly just a useful hole in the ground. Another pool that is refilled is St Margaret's Well. John Ruskin, the art critic and general do-gooder, landscaped this well in 1872. He romantically renamed it after St Margaret, but the spring here originally had no patron saint and was known as Waterhouse Pond. Russell's mother was a Margaret, and it seems to have been christened in memory of her. However, springs have always had spiritual associations, so maybe it is holy after all.